Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 3, Week 1, Day 4. We are going to listen for the same sound in words. Listen carefully as I say 3 words. Gaze, take, cape. What sound is the same in gaze, take, cape? That's right, the middle sound, A. Now we're going to do a few more words. Made, take, cave, A. Bake, name, date, A. Van, hat, pack, A. Wave, main, case, A. Pup, fun, bug, A. Hot, mop, sock, Ah. Okay, friends. So this is a review, so I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Plan. Now remember, without the super E, it says that short sound, ah. 3, 2, 1. Plane. 3, 2, 1. Van. 3, 2, 1. Vein. The E tickles the A. 3, 2, 1. Tap. 3, 2, 1. Tape. 3, 2, 1. It's. 3, 2, 1. Let's. 3, 2, 1. Wasn't. Remember, n't. 3, 2, 1. Aren't. Okay, let's read this. 3, 2, 1. Case. Change the S to V. Cave. Change the K to P. Pave. Change the V to ul. Pale. Change the P to T. Tail. Change the ul to tame. Change the T to S. Same. Change the S to sh. Shame. Change the sh to ul. Lame. Change the to k. Lake. Change the add a f in the front of ul. Flake. Change the k to flame. Get rid of the L. Fame. Change the to z. Phase. Change the f to maze. Change the z to d. Made. And then get rid of the E. Cover it up with your hand. Mad. Change the d to t. Mat. Add an E at the end. Mate. Change the t to ul. Male. Change the to wh. Whale. Okay, that's all of those. Here are our high frequency words 5 times. Away, 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 away. My dog ran away, but he came back. Now, 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 now. Can we play the game now? Some. I see some snakes in the grass. Today. I had fun at camp today. Way. Is this the way to school? Why? Why are the ducks quacking at me? Okay, here's our story. I'll let you go, then we'll do it together. Is it late? We don't know. Here's some words you'll see in the story. 3, 2, 1. Is. 3, 2, 1. He. 3, 2, 1. For. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Why. 3, 2, 1. No. 3, 2, 1. Now. 3, 2, 1. No. 3, 2, 1. Have. 3, 2, 1. Today. 3, 2, 1. Am. 3, 2, 1. Of. 3, 2, 1. On. 3, 2, 1. Away. 3, 2, 1. Way. 3, 2, 1. She. Okay, I'm going to let you go first, and then we'll do it together. Is it late? And before we begin, let's look for those super E's. I see a lot of super E's. Okay, so I'm going to let you go, then we'll do it together. Let me get a lighter color so that it doesn't cover up the words. Okay, you get to go first. Ready? Go ahead. Ready? Begin. Is he late for a game? Check a clock. Why? A clock will tell when it is late and when it is not late. Okay, let me show you the next picture. I see some more super E's. See a bunch of super E's in this page, on this page. Okay, your turn first. Go ahead. Ready? Together. Is Kate late for a date with Jane? No. Kate can wake up now. Kate will have fun today. Okay. Let's look for those super E's. Okay, so you get to go first. Ready? Go ahead. Ready? Begin. Am I late for a snack? No. Take a bunch of grapes. Place some on a plate. Take the rest away. Show you the picture. Okay, let's look for those super E's. Okay, your turn first. Ready? Begin. Ready? Begin. Is Tim late for the bus? No. Tim and Dad make it to the bus. Tim is not late. Which way will Tim go? Okay. Let's look for those super E's that make it say A. We have a lot in this one. Okay, you go ahead and go first. Ready? Begin. Okay, ready? Together. Is Blake late for the race? No. Blake can chase Rick. Blake can run fast. She can win the match. Okay, so we have been working on contractions. And contractions take two separate words, get rid of one of the letters, and put them together to make a shorter word. So it's kind of like a nickname. So has not, we would get rid of the O, put our apostrophe, and then put it together like this, and it becomes hasn't, hasn't. Okay, let's look at some more. Is not, I'm going to give you 3 seconds. Which one do you think I need to cross off? 3, 2, 1. If you said O, way to go. Then we're going to put it right here. Isn't. Do you see how I put it closer together because it's one word now? Okay. Are not. What word? What letter? If you said O, nice job. Okay. And then we're going to put it together over here so you can see it. We have aren't. Aren't. Was not. What do I get rid of? The O. Then put it together. Becomes wasn't. Have not, get rid of the O, becomes have, nt. So the not becomes nt, isn't, aren't, wasn't, haven't. Cannot, now this is the only one that gets rid of 2 letters. we get rid of the O, but we also get rid of the N because we don't need two N's by each other. So it becomes can't. Okay? Okay, friends. So verbs are words that tell about actions. So every sentence has at least one verb, and I'm going to read this and give you 3 seconds to tell me the verb or what they're doing. Chan sees pancakes on a plate. Think of what they're doing. 3, 2, 1. He sees, right? Sees is a verb. That's something we do. We look at things. Okay, let's look at the next one. Can you help my Can you help my mom rake? So think of what they're doing. Think of the verb. 3, 2, 1. If you said rake, you are right. Rake is where you rake the leaves. You put them in a pile. Okay, so we're going to read some words. I'm going to give you 3 seconds, and we're going to circle the verbs that are a verb. Remember, a verb is an action. A verb is an action. So run. 3, 2, 1. That's a verb. Grab. 3, 2, 1. That's a verb. Lunch. 3, 2, 1. No, lunch is not something I do. I go to lunch. That's a verb. Go is a verb. Okay, next, catch. 3, 2, 1. It's a verb. Shake. 3, 2, 1. Shake is a verb. Now this one's a little tricky. If you're thinking of like a milkshake, that's a thing. That's a noun. But shake, like you shake the snow globe to see the snow, that's a verb. Okay, vase. 3, 2, 1. Nope, that's a noun. That's not a verb. Make. 3, 2, 1. That would be a verb. I can make something. Something I do. And last one, grape. 3, 2, 1. Grape is a thing. It's a noun. Okay, friends, I hope that helped. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.